Today I'm going to explain how to decompose numbers for addition. So here we have 35 plus 21. The first thing I'm going to do is break these into place values. So 35 is the same as 3 tens and 5 ones, and 21 is the same as 2 tens and 1 one. Now when we're decomposing, we're going to break these same numbers into different values that equal the same thing. So for 35, we could see it as 30, which is 3 tens, and 5 ones. Those are their values, and together they still equal 35. For 21, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to break it into 20 and 1. Together, those add up to the same value of 21. Now, what we can do to add these in our brain is we can add our tens first. So we'll take those 3 tens and those 2 tens, so that's 30 and 20, and we're going to add them, which I can do off to the side over here. So I'll write 30 plus 20. When you add those together, you're adding 3 tens and 2 tens. Think about that on your own while I draw it out with place value blocks. 3 tens, 2 tens, add it all together, and that would equal 5 tens, which is 50. We're going to put that 50 over here. And next we can add our ones. So you'll see we have 5 ones and 1 one from these two numbers. We're going to again write it off to the side. So 5 plus 1, because again this is an addition equation. And you can draw in place value blocks to help yourself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1. Together equals 6. And we'll write that off to the side again. Now, for the final step, which is to add our tens and our ones together, once we've got it all down to tens and ones, 50, so that's 5 tens, plus 6 ones. And we can again draw this out in place value blocks. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 56. So the answer to the problem 35 plus 21, you can solve using decomposition, and it equals 56. Now this is a pretty easy one, as our ones place didn't go over 10, which does happen sometimes. So we're going to take a look at what it would look like if the ones place goes over 10 and we have to create another 10. Let's take, for example, a new problem. Plus, because again we're focusing on addition here, 27 plus 40, 6. So again, we're going to break it into the tens place and the ones place, and we're going to think about these numbers and what other values they could have that makes them easier to add. So 27 is the same as 2 tens and 7 ones, and 46 is the same as 4 tens and 6 ones. So 27, we're going to break it down into 20 and 7, and 46 into 40 and 6. Those have the same value as those numbers, so we are good to go. And just like last time, we can add our tens together, 20 and 40, and we can write it off to the side to make it easier. 40 plus 20, and it doesn't matter which direction you go in addition, you can flip-flop those numbers. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So 40 plus 20 equals 60. Next, we're going to go ahead and add our ones together. So for 27, we have 7 ones, and for 46, we have 6 ones. And we're going to go ahead and add those together. So 7 plus 6, and you can work this out on your own. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I like to draw my ones in groups of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 plus 6. So we have 7 and 6, and as you can see, we have 5 and 5, which is 10, and then 3 more ones, 13. So 7 plus 6 equals 13. Now, as you can see, we can't just add our tens and ones together because 13 has tens in it. So we're going to have to work this out a little differently. We can draw it out, and that's going to make it a lot easier to tell how we're adding it. So we'll write 60 plus 13, and then we'll draw it in base 10 blocks so we're able to see those ones and tens and easily add them together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, plus one more 10, 70, and then 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. So we have 7 tens and 3 ones, which is the same as 73. Nice job. Now let's take a look at when the numbers are in the hundreds. So let's take, for example, 127 plus 234. So again, we're going to break this into place value. With the first number, we have 7 ones, 2 tens, and 100. In the second number, we have 4 ones, 3 tens, and 2 hundreds. To help yourself, you can write these out, and that'll help you visualize what we're decomposing and how we can break these numbers down. So, once again, we want to break them down into their place value because that is easy to work with. But in this particular case, we are going to break it into 3 places. The hundreds, which would be 100. 2 tens means the same as 20, so we're going to write 20 here as the value. And then 7 ones remains 7. 234, we're going to break it down 3 times. 2 hundreds. 3 tens would be 30. And then 4 ones, which is just 4. See how our value remains the same? And now we can easily add our hundreds together. So we're going to go 100 plus 200. If you're not able to do this in your head, you can do it off to the side. 100 plus 200. And you can draw it out in place value blocks. Hundreds are squares. So we're going to write 100, and then for the 200s, we're going to draw out 200s. Count all your hundreds together, and you've got 1, 2, 3. 300. Next, we'll take a look at our tens, and we can add those together. So I'll write 300 down here, and then we will add our 20 to our 30. And you can write this off to the side to help yourself visualize it. 20 plus 30. Now I know we're getting pretty good, so we may not need to draw this out. 20 plus 30 is 50, because 2 plus 3 tens equals 5 tens. And then we'll write it back in our decomposition area. And then next we can do our ones. 7 plus 4 ones. Now again, this is going to go over 10, so we are going to have to decompose again. So 7 plus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we'll go down 6, 7. And then 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now when you add 7 plus 4, you're going to get 11. Eleven is the same as, as 110 and 1 1. So when we're adding this together, we have to be careful to add another 10 to our tens. But we'll write 11 down here, and then we can break it down into 10 and 1. And now we can put these together. So we'll put our tens together, which would be the 50 and the 10. So 5 tens plus 1 more 10 is 6 tens, so 60. And then we put our hundreds, tens, and ones together. We have 3 hundreds, 6 tens, and 1 1. So 300 plus 60 plus 1 equals 361. We can do that off to the side just to be sure. So 300, and this would be expanded form, right? 300 plus 60 plus 1. So 300s, 1, 2, 3. 6 tens, and 1 1. 361. And that is how you decompose with addition when you are working with numbers in the hundreds place. I hope this helped and you can practice on your own now. We'll just write our final thing. You never want to forget to write your complete equation and balance that. 361.